Hi, my name is Michael Rush, and I live in Hanford, California. I used to work in a store like this down in Southern California, and it's a mom and pop niche store, which is great because all the other stores that you've got here in the area, they don't have what this store has. Our house was built in 1951, and it's hard to get parts for us sometimes, but every time I come here, they've got the parts. I recommend it to anybody, as I always do. When people say they need something, they can't find it, it's the store to go to. Hope you come in and spend the money here.
So what about as far as promoting community?
The community, it's because the community here, the niche store that you got, you can, what you don't find in the big box stores, it's here. The people that continue to go there, they complain they don't have this, they don't have that, and I found that too, because we keep losing a lot of stores. This one's still here. It's the best one around in the area, and there's nobody else close to it. It's a small community, pay into the community, go regional. It's the best way to do it.